NewsRamp Science Podcast, Thursday evening, April 9th, 2026. Quick note, real news, AI-powered delivery. Full coverage at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. First up, Investor News breaks Kraig Biocraft Laboratories. Inc. sets record with 1.3 metric tons of spider silk production in 1 month. Kraig Biocraft Laboratories has set a new world record by producing over 1.3 metric tons of recombinant spider silk cocoons in a single month. This achievement signifies a significant advancement towards commercializing this advanced biomaterial on an industrial scale. The company's successful execution of its 2026 scale-up plan has led to expanded facilities and high-output performance, with a target of ramping up production to 10 metric tons per month for various applications in technical textiles and performance materials.
Investor News breaks ESGold Technologies Aquis AEQTST GQGQT accelerates quantum research funding with University of Toronto. ESGold Technologies Aquis DQ.ETST has accelerated funding for quantum research at the University of Toronto, providing $269,000 in Year 2 funding, ahead of schedule. The research focuses on developing stable qubit building blocks using nanoscale gold and other materials, along with expanding its cryo-refrigeration system. This funding is part of a broader $3 million 3-year agreement, securing ESGold an exclusive global license to resulting intellectual property.
Energy News breaks. ESGold Corp advances Montalban project with drilling plans, exploration, and mill development. ESGold Corp advances its Montalban gold-silver project in Quebec with drilling plans, ongoing A&T surveying, and mill development. The company targets a May 2026 start for drilling, focusing on high-priority zones identified through geological modeling and geophysical data. The project aims to support future resource estimates and expand the system's scale. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Capital flows into orbit as Planet Ventures Inc. targets the space economy's backbone. Capital flows into orbit as Planet Ventures Inc. targets the space economy's backbone. The company's strategic investments in orbital energy infrastructure and lunar development align with emerging demand for in-space power systems. With the appointment of Tansu Yagan as strategic advisor and full repayment of convertible debentures, Planet Ventures signals an active posture in pursuing space sector opportunities amidst the global shift towards commercially driven infrastructure development.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news wires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news,